10 to 20 build a microphone. Sony ZV E10. This 10 to 20 become 10 to 30 in clear image zoom. I'm now clear image zoom. I'm 20 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 11, 12, 14, 16, 17, 19, 18, 20, clear image zoom 30 millimeter. Let me just zoom out and start walking at 10 millimeter. Now holding the camera from the lens. I'm just handling and walking. I'm at the 10 millimeter, 10 to 15. This is f4. This is not a crappy 10 to 18 f4, which is not sharp at all. This is really a sharp lens, and it's a very beautiful lens. It's a very sharp lens and a beautiful lens. I'm just handling and walking 10 to 20. I'm using the catalyst browse 0.5x crop. How good is the video with 0.5x crop? You are liking this video, yes or no? For example, I want to show you something. Let me zoom in. 20 millimeter, clear image zoom 30 millimeter. So this is the zoom range. You can see. For example, I'm here. I cannot move forward. 10 millimeter, 11, 13, 18, 30 millimeter. So this is the 10 to 18. You have to be judge how good it is. For me, I'm really liking it. Shutter 125 and to 18. How good it is. I'm just walking. Okay, I wanna zoom in with that girl. Then let's go to 30 millimeter. How good it is. 10 to 20. Are you liking it? I'm at 11 millimeter. Let me zoom out. Zoom out. Now 10 millimeter. How good it is. I'm just handling and walking. 10 to 18. How good it is. I'm really liking the lens quality. It's really, because I really like 10 to 20 is very flexible. I can easily zoom in or zoom out. You don't let me know how good it is. You think it's good or bad? Let me know. Here's some picture with 10 millimeter. I think he will be fine.